Okay, solving equate the system without graphing, I don't like that. Put an x, put x, y like it usually is. Okay, so we know that y equals 3 times x plus 2, and then 1 times x plus 2 times y equals 11. Find a variable that's all by itself. Right there you have it. Y, that's your base. Circle the other side. Now write out the non-base. 1x plus 2y equals 11. So the parentheses I'm about to place in this equation goes wherever the base is at. The base is y, so the parentheses goes to y. Now cross that out and put 3x plus 2. Okay, so we have 1x plus 2, and then I make a parentheses and I put 3x plus 2. Then after the parentheses it has equals 11. Now we can solve for x. So the 2's here. So again, I have to figure that out. So 2 times 3x and times 2. So that's going to be 6x and 4. So drop the plus, you got 6x, you got 4. Now don't forget to add the other x, the 1x. Okay, now your x's are on the same side, so you need to just combine them. So that's 7x plus 4 equal, combine means add. Now you can get your x by itself. It's got a times 7, a plus 4, so minus 4, and that's 7. Then divide by your 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So x equals 1. Okay, now to solve for y, here's what we're going to do. We're going to use the equation that's got the base equation. Y equals 3x plus 2. Put a times dot there. So put 1 in for x. Parenthesize it, scribble it out, put a 1. So now we have y equals 3 times 1 plus 2. 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. You can just figure that out on a calculator or whatnot. 3 times 1 is 3, and then plus 2 is 5. So 1, 5 is where they're going to cross. Okay, 2x plus 5y equals 7. X equals negative 4y plus 2. So I don't have a base I can use in the first equation, but in the second one I have an x. Remember what we said, it could be x or y. I don't have to graph. Y has to be by itself when you graph, but circle the other side. Now write the off-base equation. 2x plus 5y equals 7. I don't like this, so make it xy coordinate. So x, x is now the base, so the parentheses goes to the x, Scribble it out and put negative 4y plus 2. So we have 2 times negative 4y plus 2. Then after the parentheses is closed, we have plus 5y equals 7. Now we're going to be solving for y first. So treat it so there's the plus, so you distribute 2 to negative 4, 2 to 2. So that's going to be negative 8y and 4. Drop your plus. Now there's got to be another y, there's plus 5y. And again, combine your y's. You still got 7 over there, but you add your y's. Don't be getting rid of taking out the smaller one. Negative 3y plus 4 equals 7. Now you can get the y by itself. So minus 4, that's 3. Then divide by negative 3. And it's y equals -1. So -1 goes here. Now to find the x, use your base equation because the x is by itself, which makes it a lot easier. Okay, so -1 goes in for y. Okay, put a times dot. So x equals -4 times -1 plus 2. This answer is going to be 6. Okay, so 6, -1. So I can't give you that, oh, you always solve for x first, you always solve for y first. You don't, okay? Sometimes it's one or sometimes it's the other. Okay, 3x plus -4y equals -5, x equals 3y plus 4, okay? There's my base right there. Base is going to be x in this problem. And actually, if your base is x, you'll be solving for the other letter first. You'll be solving for the y first, if that helps, okay? So I write my not off base, 3x plus 4y equals -5. Now you guys, since the base is x, we will be putting the parentheses to the x and taking it out. So 3y plus 5. So you got 3. And then in the parentheses, you're going to have 3y plus 5 plus 4y equals -5. So again, you drop your 3, then in the parentheses you put this. After the parentheses, you write plus 4y, -5. It shows the 4y out. Now, what letter do we have? We have y and y, so we're finding y first, okay? Arrow there, it means I'm going to be finding that first. Okay, so here's the plus, so 3 to 3y, 3 to 5. So it's 9y, and that's 15. So you're equal to -5. You drop your plus, you got 9y, you got 15. Don't forget to add the other term, 4y. Okay. Oops, my bad. I forgot that 4y was a negative. See, it was a negative. I forgot to put that. That's my fault. Okay, but it is negative. I caught that. Okay, so you combine your like terms of y. 9 plus -4. It's going to be negative. It's going to be 5. Okay. So 5y plus our 15, and now we can solve. Okay. Minus 15 from -5, it's going to be -20. Use a calculator, okay? Then I divide each side by 5, and y equals -4. Okay, remember, -4 is the y value. Now to find x, use the equation that's got the x by itself. Okay, so y is -4. Remember, if there was a number in front of parentheses, you put a times sign. So x equals 3 multiplied by -4 plus 5. Okay. -7, okay? So -7, -4. Okay, then the last problem. Y equals -3x plus -1, then we have 2x plus 3y equals 18. So this time the base is the y, okay? So write your equation, 2x plus 3y equals 18. Parentheses goes to where the base is, okay? Now it's to the y, so I replace y with the expression -3x plus -1. So you got 2x plus 3. Now we put that in parentheses next to the 3. And then after the parentheses has been closed, we have an equal sign and an 18. Now we're going to be solving for x first, okay? So whatever answer, maybe put an arrow so you remember to put the answer goes there, because we have x's in the equation, so we're solving for x first. So plus. So 3 to negative 3x, 3 to negative 1. So that is going to be negative 9x and negative 3. Then add 2x. Okay. Alright, so you combine your x's, just like I've told you before. Okay. The reason you're combining them because they're on the same side of the equation. The take out the smaller one is what you do when they're on opposites. 2 plus negative 9, negative 7. So we have a negative 7x plus a negative 3 equal 18. So you add 3 because it's negative 3, and that's 21. And then divide by negative 7. 21 divided by negative 7 is negative 3. So x equals negative 3. So remember, x first. Okay, now to find what the y is, remember y is the base, so we want to use that one because the y is by itself. Negative 3 goes in for x. And we have y equals negative 3 times negative 3 plus negative 1. So if y equals that, figure out what it is. It's going to be 8. Okay? Because that's 9 plus negative 1.